When I confronted my dad about football, that this is the game I chose and I want to do something in it, oh my god, my dad's reaction was really bad. Bahar aaye to it was a different atmosphere. Slogans, stones were going everywhere. First time after I ran away from my home, I was meeting my dad and he was very angry. He was damn angry. I went to a local government higher secondary there to get girls, to talk to them if they are interested in football or not. And I didn't know कि बाहर से क्या हो रहा है. अंदर मेरे trials चालू था. I finished with my trials. बाहर आए तो it was a different atmosphere. Slogans, stones were going everywhere. And I was coach that time and I was having the responsibility of 10-15 girls on me. There was a point called Pratap Park. So we reached there were policemen obviously और लोग पागलों की तरह चिल्ला रहे थे. मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को साइड पे लिया. I was like, don't worry. If anybody anything says to us, we'll definitely go and talk to them कि हम इस mob के साथ नहीं हैं. We don't have to do anything with this mob. And all of the sudden tear gases and all came out. और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा घबरा गए. So after coming so many shells to us, there were some policemen coming to us. So they started abusing us without any. Like abusing like नहीं सुन पा रहे थे जो उन्होंने बोला. Nobody can listen about his mother or her mother. So I went to him politely. Sir, listen, we are not with this mob. You are taking us wrong. But the thing is, हम sports persons हैं and we are going for an inauguration. Please don't talk to us like this. Please talk to us little politely. I don't know what comes in his head. He slapped one of my students without any reason. Obviously, my students were damn angry on that action. They wanted to protest. And being a coach, being a mentor, I don't wanted to show them कि मैं तुम लोगों के साथ नहीं हूँ भाई. I love my career. So they were like, ma'am, if you are not with us, just leave us. I was like, no, don't worry. I'm there with you. Whatever you want to do, I will be supporting you. I went for the inauguration after that pelting thing, and everything was normal and nobody noticed me that I was doing it. मैं घर पहुंची. My sister was like, तुम्हारी फोटो मैंने इंटरनेट पे देखी, मैं हमला फुटबॉल के साथ देखी. तो she was like, नहीं, पत्थर के साथ देखी. I like, मतलब I don't get you. बोला सी, अब क्या जवाब दोगी? पापा सुनेंगे तो पापा obviously will be very angry. So वो एक फिर नाम ही पड़ गया, stone pelter. And yeah, people sometimes say, why stone pelter? Because before stone pelting I have done a lot of things in football in Kashmir. That time किसी ने मेरे को notice नहीं किया when I was doing things for football. But वो एक चीज़ ने सबकी like नज़र में आ गई है. फैमिली में ये था कि आप पढ़ो कितना पढ़ना है, पढ़ने के बाद आपकी शादी. That's it. मैं जब स्टार्ट किया था, पागल हो गई बेटी, शादी करवा दो इसकी, अच्छा होगा इसके लिए, बच जाओगे आप भी. तो my dad was like, ढूंढो आपको रिश्ता तो मैं करा देता हूँ. So I used to run away. मैं मामू के यहाँ चली जाती थी भाग के. जब मैं पापा से इस बारे में बात करती थी तो my dad used to say कि शादी करनी है, टूट गया कुछ तो. I was like, Dad, fine, कोई बात नहीं है, करनी होगी तो कर लेगा कोई. Why are you bothering so much? When I confronted my dad about football, that this is the game I chose and I want to do something in it, oh my god, my dad's reaction was really bad. And I was like, I want to give a try, let me do it. Because he was always supportive. Like when I was into cricket, he never stopped me from playing cricket. वो हमेशा support करते थे, मैच होते थे, वो देखने आते थे. But when it comes to football, I don't know why he changed. She was the first person from my family who supported me throughout. Like my grandmother and my mother. Like they supported me a lot. My grandmother was like, go. I don't like. She used to fight with my dad. Why are you stopping her? Just let her be herself now. My grandmother was like, do whatever you want. but ये याद रखना that you're a girl and you have to go to some other family and you have to manage things. I was like, okay, fine, don't worry, I'll keep that in my mind. Rest alone. But when he came with me for the practice sessions, I guess for the first time my dad watched my game and he cried. That was the best moment for me. That he cried and he hugged me. He was like, I didn't know you are doing so much of things in your life. You're doing so much hard practice to do something in your life. So he was like, now I'm fully satisfied that you can go anywhere. So that was the turning point of my life, that my dad started supporting me a lot. My father is like, जब तुम्हारी मर्जी हो, I'm forced you. You want to play? Yeah, go ahead.